Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Widget. Today we're diving into the fascinating construction world and celebrating the unsung heroes behind some of the most ingenious projects ever undertaken. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the skills and innovation of construction workers who take their craft to another level. Number 10. The Australian Outback Infrastructure Builders. The Australian Outback Infrastructure Builders face the unique and challenging task of constructing vital infrastructure in one of the world's most rugged and remote environments. This team of construction workers demonstrated exceptional resilience, adaptability, and ingenuity in overcoming the harsh conditions of the outback. Comprising engineers, laborers, and specialists, these builders navigated extreme temperatures, vast landscapes, and logistical complexities. They showcased expertise in planning and constructing roads, bridges, and other essential structures that connect and serve communities across the vast Australian outback. The team's commitment to safety, environmental considerations, and innovative problem-solving contributed to the successful completion of projects that enhanced connectivity and accessibility in this challenging terrain. The Australian Outback Infrastructure Builders exemplify the spirit of determination and craftsmanship required to thrive in unique construction environments. Number 9. German Sustainable Building Experts. German sustainable building experts are at the forefront of environmentally conscious and energy-efficient construction practices. This team, comprised of architects, engineers, and construction professionals, is dedicated to creating structures that minimize environmental impact and prioritize long-term sustainability. With a focus on innovative technologies and green building materials, these experts implement designs that maximize energy efficiency, reduce carbon footprints, and promote eco-friendly living spaces. Their commitment extends beyond the construction phase, considering life cycle assessments and recycling processes. Renowned for their precision and attention to detail, German sustainable building experts are influential in shaping the global landscape of sustainable architecture. Their work not only meets the highest standards in environmental stewardship, but also sets a benchmark for sustainable construction practices worldwide. Number 8. The Qatari Stadium Construction Team. The Qatari Stadium Construction Team played a pivotal role in the ambitious construction projects leading up to the FIFA World Cup. Comprising skilled engineers, architects, project managers, and a diverse workforce, this team demonstrated remarkable expertise in crafting state-of-the-art stadiums. Tasked with creating iconic venues that blend modern innovation with Qatari cultural elements, the team faced unique challenges, including scorching temperatures and strict timelines. Their meticulous planning and execution ensured that each stadium not only met FIFA's stringent standards, but also reflected the rich heritage of Qatar. The Qatari Stadium Construction Team showcased a commitment to sustainability, implementing cutting-edge technologies to create energy-efficient and environmentally friendly facilities. Their collective efforts stand as a testament to Qatar's dedication to hosting a world-class sporting event, while leaving a lasting legacy of architectural excellence. Number 7. Singapore Skyscraper Builders. The Singapore Skyscraper Builders represent a collective of skilled construction professionals who have played a pivotal role in shaping the city-state's iconic skyline. Comprising architects, engineers, project managers, and a diverse workforce, this team is renowned for its ability to transform ambitious architectural designs into towering structures. Their expertise extends beyond conventional construction, incorporating innovative engineering solutions and cutting-edge technologies. Whether crafting the Marina Bay Sands or other skyscrapers, these builders showcase precision and attention to detail. Singapore Skyscraper Builders prioritize not just heights, but also sustainable and aesthetically pleasing designs, contributing to the city's reputation as a global architectural marvel. Their collaborative efforts have not only defined Singapore's urban landscape, but have also set a standard for skyscraper construction worldwide, showcasing the prowess of the Singapore Skyscraper Builders in creating vertical masterpieces. Are you finding the video valuable so far? If yes, then consider hitting the like and subscribe button, as it motivates us to keep bringing you amazing content. Don't leave the screen, you'll miss out on what comes next. Number 6. The Norwegian Fjord Road Constructors. The Norwegian Fjord Road Constructors are a group of highly skilled professionals who have undertaken the challenging task of building roads through the breathtaking yet rugged terrains of Norway's majestic fjords. This dedicated team, comprised of engineers, construction workers, and environmental specialists, navigates through the unique challenges presented by the steep mountains, deep fjords, and unpredictable weather conditions. Known for their precision and ingenuity, the Norwegian Fjord Road Constructors implement innovative engineering solutions to create roads that seamlessly integrate with the natural landscape. They prioritize environmental sustainability, ensuring that their construction practices harmonize with the pristine surroundings. Building in such challenging terrains demands not only technical expertise, but also a deep appreciation for nature and a commitment to preserving Norway's scenic beauty. Number 5. Japanese earthquake-resistant buildings. The Japanese earthquake-resistant building experts are a group of highly skilled professionals who have mastered the art of constructing structures capable of withstanding seismic forces. Comprising architects, engineers, and construction specialists, this team plays a crucial role in creating buildings that prioritize safety and resilience in a country prone to earthquakes. Known for their innovative designs and cutting-edge engineering, these experts implement advanced seismic technologies, flexible building materials, and sophisticated structural systems. Their work goes beyond traditional construction, focusing on creating buildings that can withstand the impact of earthquakes while ensuring the safety of occupants. The Japanese earthquake-resistant building experts continually push the boundaries of construction, blending traditional architectural aesthetics with state-of-the-art seismic engineering. Number 4. Swiss Tunnel Constructors. Swiss Tunnel Constructors represent a group of highly skilled professionals who have excelled in the challenging task of constructing tunnels in the mountainous terrain of Switzerland. Comprising engineers, geologists, miners, and other specialized workers, this team is renowned for its expertise in tunnel construction, leveraging cutting-edge technology and innovative methodologies. In Switzerland, where the landscape is characterized by rugged mountains, tunnels play a crucial role in transportation infrastructure. The Swiss tunnel constructors navigate through complex geological foundations, employing advanced drilling and blasting techniques to carve through the mountains efficiently. Known for their precision, attention to safety, and environmental considerations, the Swiss tunnel constructors have contributed significantly to the development of Switzerland's extensive tunnel network. Their work not only enhances transportation connectivity, but also reflects a deep understanding of geological challenges and a commitment to sustainable construction practices in this alpine environment. Number 3. Chinese Bridge Builders. Chinese bridge builders form a dynamic and skilled workforce that has played a crucial role in the construction of some of the world's most impressive and expansive bridge projects. Comprising engineers, architects, project managers, and a diverse labor force, this team has been at the forefront of transforming China's infrastructure landscape. Renowned for their innovative engineering solutions and ambitious projects, Chinese bridge builders have demonstrated their prowess in constructing bridges that span vast rivers, connect cities, and facilitate efficient transportation networks. From iconic cable-stayed bridges to lengthy suspension bridges, their work showcases a harmonious blend of aesthetic design and structural integrity. The Chinese bridge builders' commitment to efficiency, precision, and safety has positioned China as a global leader in bridge construction. Their projects not only enhance connectivity within the country, but also stand as testament to China's capability to undertake large-scale and complex infrastructure endeavors. The Chinese bridge builders continue to shape the nation's future by creating bridges that symbolize progress, innovation, and connectivity. Number 2. Panama Canal Expansion Team. The Panama Canal expansion, one of the most significant engineering projects in recent history, saw the collaboration of a highly skilled and diverse construction team, comprising engineers, architects, laborers, and specialists from various fields. The team faced the challenge of modernizing and expanding the century-old waterway. Led by experienced project managers, the Panama Canal expansion team demonstrated unparalleled expertise in canal construction, environmental management, and logistical planning. Their work involved designing and implementing innovative engineering solutions to accommodate larger vessels, including constructing new locks and excavating millions of cubic meters of earth. The team's dedication to precision, safety, and environmental sustainability played a crucial role in successfully completing this complex and monumental project, showcasing the prowess of the Panama Canal expansion team on the global stage. Number 1. The Burj Khalifa construction crew. Our journey ends in the heart of Dubai, where an extraordinary team of construction workers took on the monumental task of building the world's tallest skyscraper, the Burj Khalifa. The sheer height and complexity of this project demanded precision and expertise at levels beyond imagination. It wasn't just about constructing a building, it was about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in engineering and architecture. The construction of the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest skyscraper, involved a highly skilled and diverse team of construction workers. These dedicated individuals hailed from various parts of the world, bringing a wealth of experience and expertise to the project. Led by experienced engineers and project managers, the construction workers at the Burj Khalifa demonstrated exceptional precision, craftsmanship, and teamwork. They navigated the complexities of building at unprecedented heights using cutting-edge technology and innovative construction methods. The workforce exhibited a commitment to safety and quality, working tirelessly to ensure the successful completion of this architectural marvel. The construction of the Burj Khalifa stands as a testament to the collective efforts and ingenuity of the construction professionals who made the seemingly impossible possible. And there you have it, folks. Construction workers around the world are truly at another level, pushing boundaries and creating wonders. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep building and staying inspired.